So David and I first connected during an interview. I kind of got to know a little bit about him and things he was going through in his personal life. I kind of reached out a hand immediately and really wanted to get him work.
There was a friend of mine that was telling me a place to go where I could find some work, and I was looking for work. I was looking to better myself, so it's just a word of mouth type of thing. They said, hey, QPS will put you on a job quickly, so that's where I went.
He started working with us at Titan Wheel. It did not work out. But and then Craig Industries was kind of like a second chance. He needed that second chance, and we really discussed, that he needed to do better next time. And there was a heart-to-heart there, and he really kind of promised me that he was going to do well, and it's been nothing but perfect. So
I am a CNC operator over in the foam department for Craig Industries. I pretty much make sure that the operations over there are all done, complete, and in order before they move to the next department. I train other guys and help with the quality of the product going through. The fact that they put family first means a lot to me. I'm going through some things and I really need to put family first, and I don't want it to have to cost me my job, and they totally understand, and they're for me, with me on that, so it's very cool.
Well, David's a hard worker. He comes to work every day, and he shows effort and tries to excel at what he does. He's always trying to better himself and do a better job at work.
to keep him on his feet, it was a constant communication. It wasn't just about a weekly temp call. It was about like a daily call, and it turned into like I took that extra step to make sure that every single day he was doing good. Every single day he was taking care of things in his personal life as well as work, and eventually he started calling me and doing weekly tip calls with me because I called him less as he was doing better. But then he kept calling us here at the branch, and he would start checking in on me and how I was doing. So
I love our QPS office in Quincy. I really do. They are very compassionate about people, and you can tell that they care about their work and they care about the people who work for them. I really feel like I've developed a friendship with a couple of them in the office, and it's more than just a business relationship. It's a friendship. It's almost a family, it seems